Welcome to the Samwad. This is the login panel. After login into the admin panel through correct username and password, we can access the dashboard of the admin interface. Firstly, we can toggle the theme. Now, on the top left, we can see the live agents, agents on call, call and waiting, and agent on break. Then, we can see the line chart of call flow, and on the left-hand side, we can see the agent performance. After that, on scroll, we can see the pie chart of incoming or outgoing call efficiency rate, and on the right side, we can see the bar chart of the call disposition status. And also, we can select the date range to see the data of a particular date. After switching to real-time agents through the sidebar, we are able to see the agent real-time report table containing columns named Agent, Campaign, Status, Duration, Customer, Listen, Logout option. We can also filter or sort the data and export the data. After switching to call reports, we can see the call details table of the agent containing columns named Campaign, IVR menu, Customer number, call type, agent name, start time, answer time, end time, waiting queue time, disposition, name, email, address, city, district, state, PIN code, duration, play, download, copy download link. From this, we can play the recording of the call, download the recording of the call, and copy the download link. We can also select the date range to see the data of a particular date. We can select the call detail type, like the agent report, incoming calls, outgoing calls, and drop calls. In the agent report section, we can see the table containing columns Agent, date, total calls, waiting for call duration, on-call duration, disposition time, training break, lunch break, tea break, break time, hold time, total login time, action. This section contains the information of a particular agent as we can see in the model. After switching to incoming calls, we can see the table of data containing columns as Campaign, IVR menu, Customer number, call type, agent name, start time, answer time, end time, waiting queue time, disposition, name, email, address, city, district, state, PIN code, duration, play, download, copy download link. After switching to outgoing calls, we can see the table of data containing columns as incoming call data. After switching to drop calls, we can see the table of data containing columns as Agent, IVR menu, IVR options, campaign, call received on, call disconnected, duration. We can also select the date range to see the data of a particular date. After switching to the API section, we can see the API details table of the agent containing columns named API time, status, API type, API URL, custom payload, edit API, delete API. On clicking the Edit API option, we can see a form open up as a model to edit the API's active time, API type, API URL, and API key value pair. We can also add an API through the Add API button. After switching to the Users section, we can see the user management table containing columns as Username, User ID, Campaign, Number, Priority, Login Status, Change Status, Edit User, Change Password, Delete User. We can edit the user through the Edit User model containing columns as Campaign, Password, User ID, Username, Number, Priority, Active. And also we can add user through this model. Now, on switching to the IVR section, a table containing columns as IVR ID, IVR name, edit IVR, delete IVR. Here we can edit IVR through the model and can change the call menu ID, audio, and IVR options as digit, description, action, campaign options. Also, we can add an IVR through this model. Now, on switching to the campaign section, a table containing columns as campaign description, campaign name, type, transfer logic, wait sound ID, call ratio, dial timeout, campaign CLI, edit campaign, upload CSV. Here we can edit the campaign through the model and can add a campaign through this model containing columns as campaign type, campaign name, campaign description, dial timeout, wait sound ID, active, call ratio, hold sound ID, disposition, disposition options, comma separated, auto disposition type, not answered, auto disposition time, in seconds. Now, on switching to the DID section, a table of DID management containing columns as DID name, DID number, welcome music, music option, transfer logic, transfer to, edit DID, delete DID. We can edit DID through the model and can add a DID through this model, containing columns as DID name, DID number, welcome music options, transfer to, after hour action. Now, on switching to the broadcast section, a table of broadcast list shows up containing columns as broadcast name, description, channels used, active, broadcast IVR, attempt, upload broadcast, upload IVR text, edit broadcast, delete broadcast. Through the upload broadcast option, we can upload the data in CSV form and can also upload IVR text through the upload IVR text option. We can edit the broadcast through this model and add a new one through this model, containing columns as broadcast name, description, channel used, active, broadcast IVR, attempt. On switching to the audio section, a table of the audio list shows up containing columns as file ID, audio file, audio descriptions, play, delete audio. We can add or upload audio through this model as MP3 or WAV format and also can add a description with it. After switching to the add time section, here we can modify the office hours for days and also the office start time and end time, so after the end time, the incoming call will be transferred to the offline campaign. We can also add holidays through this date range option.